Knowledge workers spend an estimated 6 hours per week, more than 300 hours per year, on manual data transfer between systems. Copy a row from a spreadsheet, paste it into a CRM. Download an email attachment, upload it to cloud storage, share the link in Slack. Submit a form on a website, manually enter the data into 3 other systems. These tasks have 3 things in common. They are repetitive, they are rule-based, and a machine can do them faster and without error. Business automation tools, primarily Zapier, Make, and n8n, exist to eliminate this category of work entirely, no coding required. Zapier is the category pioneer and the most accessible entry point. It connects over 6,000 applications through pre-built integrations and a simple trigger action structure. When this event happens in App A, do this action in App B. A new type form submission triggers a HubSpot contact creation and a Slack notification. A new Shopify order triggers a row in a Google Sheet and an email confirmation via Gmail. The visual editor requires no technical background, and for teams adopting automation for the first time, Zapier is the correct starting point. Pricing starts at a free tier with limited zaps and escalates to $20 to $73 per month for most small business use cases. Make, formerly Integromat, is the tool that automation power users graduate to when Zapier's limitations become visible. Make uses a visual canvas where you build scenarios as flowcharts, allowing conditional branching, loops, data transformation, and error handling that Zapier either cannot do or requires workarounds for. A Make scenario can receive a webhook, parse the data, make API calls to multiple services, apply conditional logic, handle errors, and report results, all in a single automation. The learning curve is steeper than Zapier, but the ceiling is dramatically higher. Make's pricing is based on operations rather than automations, starting at $9 per month for 10,000 operations. n8n is the open-source option that has gained significant traction among technical teams who want the power of Make without the vendor dependency. Because n8n can be self-hosted, organizations with data privacy requirements or high operation volumes that would be expensive on cloud platforms can run it on their own infrastructure at near zero marginal cost. n8n supports code nodes where you can write JavaScript directly within the workflow, making it the bridge between no-code automation and full software development. The trade-off is that self-hosting requires some technical knowledge to set up and maintain. The cloud-hosted version is available at $20 per month. AI is transforming automation tools in 2026 in a direction that makes them meaningfully more powerful. Zapier's AI features can now interpret natural language instructions, type what you want the automation to do, and the tool proposes a workflow, and can add AI processing steps within automations. Classify an incoming email as a complaint or inquiry and route it accordingly. Summarize a long document before attaching it to a CRM note. Extract structured data from an unstructured text and store it in a database. These AI-augmented workflows were difficult or expensive to build 2 years ago. They are now accessible to any business owner. The stack recommendation for most businesses in 2026 is Zapier to start. The learning curve is the lowest, and the free tier is sufficient for simple use cases. Move to Make when you need conditional logic, data transformation, or multi-step workflows that Zapier cannot handle cleanly. Evaluate n8n if you have a technical team and want to escape per operation pricing at scale. The ROI calculation is simple. If your team spends more than 2 hours per week on any repeatable manual process, the automation to eliminate it will pay for itself within the first month. Start with the highest frequency manual task in your organization. Build one automation. Measure the time saved. Add the next one. That discipline, applied consistently, compounds.